congratulate all of you for completing your course successfully. And I would like to thankful bottom of my heart to the Ramana sir, because to place few of our students in their company. Sir also said that definitely whenever the opportunity they have, they will intimate us, and definitely we hope that few of our students are going to work in Kapil IT, right? So thanks once again. In your busy schedule you came here, and it is our the students who are sitting here and who are taking the certificates today from the Ramana sir. Definitely you should be feel grateful, proud of it. TEKS Academy is thankful for both of you, sir, so coming here and giving the certifications to our students. So I request one by one, please take the certificates, and I request Ramana sir to come to the dais and hand over few certificates to our students.